What's up, guys? It's Vince from Palm Beach Jeep Club and Grave Up Restoration, and today I got a lot done. I really did, and I'm pretty stoked. I got the Grand Cherokee all finished up. I had to bleed the brakes, and now it's ready to go. Interior is nice and clean. Might just have to vacuum it out, but everything else on it's done. Mechanically, it runs awesome, drives awesome, runs, stops. So this one's for sale if anybody's interested. I still gotta clean this one up. I had the 91 running today, but I had to pull the battery out of it to use. And if you guys have seen my other videos, you should recognize that this doesn't look like how it did a few days ago. I've been moving some things around. I have the Comanche over there, so don't worry, I didn't get rid of that. I haven't gotten rid of anything yet. Just trying to move a couple things around. I got my 92 running today, the red Cherokee with the Singer bumper, and that's what I'm heading for today. I'm gonna upload a project intro for that, so I don't take up too much time on this video. But here it is. I got it running. I drove it over here so I could work on it, and I already broke it. This is why I can't have nice things. But I plan on starting on this one really soon. I don't know if I'm gonna start taking it apart today, because it's already kind of late. But I have a video up already of the project intro for this. This is getting the 4.7 stroker. I've made my decision. It's going in here. I have the Comanche all cleaned up and nice over here. And I just need to take care of a couple things on this so that I could daily this soon, because I do plan on selling the other Jeeps. But yes, that's where I'm at today. Super stoked. I got a lot done. I got the green one ready to sell. Red one is almost ready to sell. I just have to fix the misfire, and I'm putting a new oil pressure sensor in it today. So hopefully that'll fix that. And that's where I'm at today. I'm so stoked I got this running. This thing's been sitting over a year. All I did was put a battery in it, and it started right up, no problems, and that's how we do it in the Jeep life. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.